Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas craft reindeer. Let's get started to make it. First I'll show you what all things we need. We need a triangle paper on brown and a ears big drop shape and a little white shape. And we need 2 white circles and one little small nose red, and we need black tweed and a glue and a black sketch pen. First, take the triangle paper and you start to put glue on the top. When you've done that, then take the paper and fold to like this. Now take the wet nose and put glue, and you stick it in the topmost folding part where you had folded. Now after that, take the ears. You can take the little ones first, then in the big ears or in the little ear. Put some glue in this. After putting the glue, stick it into the big ear in the middle. Like this. The both one. Then put glue at the bottom, and for sticking it, stick it over here. And the same way, do it under another layer. And when it's done, take the tree branches and put glue little bit on the bottom and stick it over here. And the other one, stick it the same place. Now the branches are done. Then take the eyes and draw one small circle on the eyes. After doing that, start to stick them. Stick them half. And after sticking them, draw the eyebrows. Now our reindeer is ready. See? Now we are going to make a tweedy reindeer. For hanging it onto the Christmas tree. Let's get started to make it. Take a black paper. This is for the base. And take a strip of the paper for the legs. Take 2 of them. This is for the face. This is for the horns. This is for the nose, and these are for the eyes. Take your strip and start to then bend the strip like a leg shape. It has to be like this. Then in the bottom, put glue. After putting the glue, take your base and stick that. Then take the same shape of another leg. Then put glue on the bottom. And stick on the base. Do the same thing to the other leg. And stick it over here. And take this and roll it into a head. And stick it over here. Take the eyes and draw and color that line on the black color. After doing that, take the head and put glue on it. Now we have to stick the red nose. Put the same thing to 2 horns. When it's ready, put glue in the legs. Put it higher. Then take your head and stick it. Now you have your own 3D reindeer. Thank you for watching my video and learning. Don't forget to do the liking and subscribe. Bye everyone. I'll come next day with new Christmas ideas. Stay safe. Bye bye.